Okay, next arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progressions or arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic progressions. So, AP arithmetic progressions. So, what is arithmetic progressions? Alright, this is a special type of sequence. Special type of sequence. Right, a collection of numbers. A collection of numbers, right? Which can be obtained by adding a fixed constant to each term of the sequence except the first term. Right. The collection of numbers which can be obtained by adding a fixed constant to each term of the sequence except the first term. Right. Or else a sequence is said to be arithmetic progressions. Sequence is said to be arithmetic progression if the difference between any two successive terms, in the given sequence always constant, right, is called what? Arithmetic progressions. Rest, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, up to so on infinity. So this is an infinite sequence. The difference between any two successive terms. Suppose we take 2 and 4. What is the difference between 4 and 2? So difference between 4 and 2 is 2. What is the difference between 6 and 4? 6 minus 4 is 2. The difference between 8 and 6 is 2. The difference between 10 and 8 is, sorry, 10 and 8 is 2. The difference between 12 and 10 is 2. Right? So the difference between any two successive terms, in the given sequence is always constant, is always same. So 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 12 minus 10, 2. 14 minus 12, 2. So the difference keep the same value, right? The difference between any two successive terms always constant, always same. Then the sequence is said to be what? Arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Are you clear? So another definitions is what? So second definitions is the first definitions, or second definition, a sequence A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma so up to so on AN. The sequence generally denoted by what? A1, A2, A3, a4 up to so on an, so up to so on infinity is said to be arithmetic progressions, is said to be arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence if what? The difference between any two consecutive terms is always same. Suppose this sequence, what is the sequence? A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma A4 comma up to so on an comma an plus 1 comma up to so on infinity is said to be what? Arithmetic progressions or arithmetic sequence if the difference between any two consecutive terms is always same or fixed. So take the example 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma 12 comma 14 comma 16 comma 18. We take any two consecutive term. Consecutive means both daily so 2 and 4 are consecutive because so succeeding of 2 is 4, preceding of 4 is 2. That's why 2 and 4 are called consecutive terms. 2 and 6 are not consecutive terms. So 6 and 10 are not consecutive terms. Consecutive terms nothing but so suppose 2 and 4 are consecutive. So 2 and 4 are neighboring numbers. Okay, so 4 and 6 are consecutive numbers. 6 and 8 are consecutive numbers. So 8 and 10 are consecutive numbers. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 2 ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ನ ಸಕ್ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಇರಬೇಕು. 4 ನ ಪ್ರಿಸಿಡಿಂಗ್ 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಸೊ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? The difference between any two successive terms, we take any two numbers. 12 and 14 are the successive terms. The difference between 14 and 12 is how much? 2. The difference between 16 and 14 is 2. Therefore, the given sequence is said to be arithmetic progressions or arithmetic sequence. Am I right? Okay, now. So, it's the best example. There's another example. Example number 1. Example number 1. 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 10 comma 12 comma 14 etc. Right? This is an infinite arithmetic progressions. Okay. Next 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 up to so on infinity. Here also same. The difference between any two terms, the difference between any two consecutive terms always is equal to what? 1. So 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 6 minus 5, 1, 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 7, 1, 9 minus 8, 1. Right? So then the constant value is called what? Common difference. Then the common it's always same and the constant value is called common difference. Right? The constant value is called what? Common difference. Common difference always denoted by small d. First term of the sequence, first term of the arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression is always taken as small a. Okay. So here, what is the common difference of a first example? 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. What is the common difference? The difference between any two consecutive terms is what? Common difference. Okay. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here 2 minus 1 is 1. So this sequence 1 is the common difference. For this sequence 2 is the common difference. So what is the first term of this sequence? 2 is the first term of the sequence. Here first term is what? 1 is the first term. So where it start the sequence, we get first term ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲಿ? First term is 2. Therefore 2 is called first term of the sequence. Here first term is 1. 1 is the first term. Right? So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the constant value, the difference of any two consecutive terms na difference in ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that difference is called what? Common difference. Okay, I think so all of it clear. What is arithmetic progressions? Just the arrangement of numbers. The sequence is also sequence is said to be arithmetic progressions. And the special type of sequence is called what? Arithmetic progression. Special type of sequence is a one peculiar, so special type, one particular type of sequence is called arithmetic progressions. What type of sequence are called arithmetic progressions? Suppose one arrangement of number is arithmetic progression. So we take any two consecutive number, take the difference, gives one number. So the difference value is always keep the same number. Then the sequence is called what? Arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Okay. Or so first term, second term, third term, fourth term, it like this. Okay. So A1, A2, A3, A4 up to so on infinity. So A1 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3 is equal to A5 minus A4 is equal to A6 minus A5 is equal to same value. Then the same value is called what? Common difference. The first number of this sequence or first term, first number of the sequence is called first term of the sequence. Okay. Next, what is the nth term of the arithmetic progressions? And so, and how to calculate the nth term, right?